morning, class. I want you to know that you have new classmates today. Please come in, sir, and introduce yourself to your new classmates.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mr. Romero. I'm following the elementary school of Islamic School.
Okay, sir, thank you. Okay, you can have your seat.
Sabi ng mahalikan, maya.
Again, good morning, class. And I want to ask, wait, let's have a recap. Okay, what's our topic yesterday? Okay, Mr. Ilosa.
Our topic yesterday is about love.
Then what's love?
Love is sharing and giving two hearts together.
Exactly. This is Douglas, sir.
Mayakap ka't masayaw sa ulan. Ang mundo ay gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ang landas, ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Dumilim man ang paligid, ay ikaw pa rin ang ilaw ko.
Yes, I'm a Filipina, and what brings you here?
My mom and dad broke up. That's why I'm here in the Philippines.
Di bibitaw sa'yo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika dito. Dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw. Sabi ng mahalikan, mayakap ka't masayaw sa ulan.
Yes.
Sabi ng mahalikan, mayakap ka't masayaw sa ulan. Ang mundo ay gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful.
You may now kiss the bride.
Tonight, all we have is